Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the AC fuse and AC relay are on this 2006 Buick Lucerne. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the algorithm? Really helps out a lot. First thing we need to do is pop our hood. Right here is our under the hood fuse box. So you're going to squeeze in on these two tabs and lift, and then also push in on this tab right here and lift. You can lift the cover off here. Right here is a little diagram of what's going on underneath this cover. Getting this cover off, just kind of squeeze and pull. So we'll start with the AC fuse. It is this red 10 amp fuse right here. I will have fuses linked down in the description below where you can get them on Amazon. And then the AC relay is this micro relay right here. So we've got our 10 amp AC fuse and our AC relay right there. If you found this video helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.